You can see I'm just rolling out this pizza dough right on the sheet, and look at that. That fits absolutely perfect. Now, right on top of that, you guys, I've got some nice weenies here, and I'm going with Nathan's weenie. I don't know, what do you guys like? What kind of hot dogs are your favorite? And now I'm just gonna place them right here on this pizza dough, just making sure that they're about, I don't know, I'd say an inch apart from one another. Okay, let's set down our last weenie, just like that, you guys. And now you wanna go through and you wanna push them all the way down in the dough. So you just see how they're just kind of embedding themselves right in the dough, and that way the dough can just fluff up all around them. That's exactly what you want. So push those weenies down in the dough, just like so. Then come in with your knife and we'll make some of those really fancy, smancy little slits in our weenies just to get some of that nice hot oven right in there, making the tops just a little bit crispier. Just a little extra step. Of course, it's not a have to, but I really do think just take the extra second, give it a try. I feel like it makes the weenies taste better. I don't know, you tell me. These look great, you guys, perfect. Now check this out. I have some garlic butter here, and I just threw together some melted butter with a little bit of garlic. And once again, this is kind of an addition, it's not a have to, but I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna brush all of this with the garlic butter. So it's gonna seep in to those little slits that we just made in our weenies. And not only that, but it's gonna get right on top of this pizza dough. It's just gonna make it a little bit more golden brown and give it a little bit more flavor. And I hope it gives our weenies just a little bit more crisp. That is it. We are sticking this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for only about 12 minutes, and stick around because it's gonna be the funnest way to eat a hot dog. Check out these weenies. Look at that. You see how we sliced into it? And I swear it just makes them even better. They look delicious. They look crispy, golden brown. Now check this out, you guys. When I take the pizza dough out of this container here, and I'm just gonna slide it right onto my cutting board. What a new and improved way to have hot dogs. Now, I don't know how you guys like your hot dogs, but we're kind of plain Jane around here with just a little bit of ketchup and mustard. So I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna line these hot dogs right next to where they're at with some ketchup. And what kind of dogs are you gonna make? Are you gonna make a pizza dog? I thought about that too, but I just kind of wanted to keep it pretty basic today with a little bit of ketchup and a little bit of mustard. I'm always afraid that it's just gonna come out too much, right? Sometimes you just squirt it and it gets all over the place. How do you guys squirt yours right? Okay, it's a little sloppy, but that's okay. It's all going to the same spot, right? We got a little ketchup, a little mustard. Now take your pizza cutter and you're just gonna cut all in the middle of those hot dogs. Check it out, you guys. We have a pizza crust hot dog bun. That is what I'm talking about. We got a little ketchup and mustard on here to just top it off. These look crispy and tasty, and I bet you this dough is gonna be delicious. I cannot wait to find out. Look at how cute these wieners are. You have your own little wiener right here into your pizza dough pocket. All right, babe, I know that you're waiting for these, so come on over and give them a try. I feel like I've been feeding everyone else around here except for you. Which one do you want? You want to pick your weenie?
Yeah, I'll pick my own weenie.
Okay, pick your weenie over here.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, you're just gonna go right in. Ooh. How is that? Good?
Very good.
All right. Well, he loves his weenie, you guys, and I hope that you would love these too. You can switch them up any way that you want. What are you adding to your hot dog? Tell me all about it in the comments, you guys, and we'll see you later.